very beautiful restaurant, an outstanding buffet in the hotel. Unbox Holiday Inn The Hague Voorburg room tour of king bed with sofa bed. Discover the fitness facility here. Why should I order Uber Eats instead?
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Dior Amsterdam. What a fantastic weekend I had there with their open day. And now I'm happy to share my next adventure with you, unboxing the Holiday Inn The Hague Voorburg. But before we dive into the details, take a moment to soak in the beauty of Amsterdam city. And as always, let me share you how I got here. I departed from the lovely city Krakow, Poland, flying with KLM on their Embraer 195-E2 in business class. The service was outstanding and the dining experience was surprisingly refreshing. Catch all the details in the link below. Now, let's jump into the Holiday Inn The Hague Voorburg. The lobby sets the perfect cozy vibe, making it an ideal spot to hang out with friends. After a warm welcome, hop on the transparent lift to the 6th floor, where is my room to unbox for you. Number 610, featuring a king bed with a sofa bed. This circle has bigger rooms, and right there is slightly smaller. The room tour begins with an essential closet, equipped with hangers, an iron, and a safe. Conveniently, there's also laundry service, a blessing for business travelers. A full-length mirror adds a touch with warm, welcoming, right next to the door and a quick look into the bathroom. It reveals a standard toilet, tap and sink with a mirror, and Urban Skincare Co. Amenities. The lighted cosmetic mirror is a nice touch. Moving on to the shower facility. It's standard, offering shampoo, body wash, and conditioner under the same brand. Given that Holiday Inn is a family-friendly hotel, there's even a connecting door between 2 rooms. Now let's explore the in-room amenities. You'll find water boilers, a coffee machine, and no bottled water, but tap water works just fine in the Netherlands. Coffee and tea are stored in the drawer. With this painting, the room's decor adds a vibrant touch. A working desk with a QR code for in-room dining services from a contracted restaurant, and a TV located in the position for both work and fun. Finally, the highlight, a king bed with a sofa. That concludes the room tour. It's time for dinner and get some work done. Well, this is my dinner. I'm not on diet since this room service costs €25 and I thought it will be large portion. So, for next few days, I order Uber Eats. Basically €20 is 2 people portion. And I also got technical issue that I can't Chromecasting to the screen. But anyway, life is still moving on. Good morning, Voorburg. Let's take a look the view outside before we unbox the breakfast buffet.
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Let's head to the ground floor. The breakfast buffet is hosted at the famous Miss Jones restaurant. This is not the usual Holiday Inn restaurant design, since it's quite stylish and fashion setup. Let's look up the interior first. I believe in the evening here will become a chill bar. Stock red wine should serve for fine dining as well. Look at these lights. Amazing bright, very good for Instagram photos. It's actually pretty spacious inside. Lovely, isn't it? Now let's discover the breakfast buffet. Cold hams, smoked salmon and cheese. Many jams and the local chocolate flavor De Ruyter sprinkles. Quite many cakes and pastries here. Dark plate looks quite premium. Let's check out the hot dishes. Baked tomatoes and potatoes, bacon and cheeses, scramble and boil eggs, some more baked vegetables, yummy fruit and yogurt choices, and of course cereals are kind of Holiday Inn standard. Cold juices. Coffee and tea are available for sure. Tea bags are under Bradley's brand. These are what I get with the great interior design, full of modern touches. Overall, I feel the buffet is considering a bit superior to other Holiday Inn I ever stayed in Europe. Quality of the food is also a bit better. In this hotel, also equipped with fitness center, located on 8th floor. Let's find out how it looks like. Well, stairs after the first door. It's alright for those who love to work out. Second door required to open by room key. Finally, even there's third door. At least the signs are clear to navigate. Well, here we are, the fitness center in Holiday Inn Voorburg. I'm not a gym guy. How do you think about their facilities? At least the roof view is great. As the stay comes to an end, I reflect on a satisfying experience. A comfortable room, a chic restaurant, and a delightful Netherlands giveaway. It's these thoughtful touches that create lasting memories. Goodbye, Holiday Inn The Hague Voorburg. In my next video, I continue my journey, taking a train to Amsterdam Airport. But before catching my flight, don't miss the must-visit signature lounge, KLM Crown Lounge 52, featuring the iconic Blue House's entrance design. Experience Dutch premium hospitality. Explore the best-in-class Blue Bar. And what's the price list for their rare collections? Plus, a funny VR experience awaits in the lounge.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.